How to slay a drawstring ponytail, MsSassyPat. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to take my 2-strand twist and put them in two cute curly drawstring ponytails. Style 1. So I'm taking these two ponytails that I've had for some time, and I think I paid $10 for them, and they're super curly, and I like that they have the drawstring, and that's what it looks like, and then it has one comb, which is very helpful. Look at those curls. Let's get started. So I'm going to take my water bottle and just spray my hair a little bit. This is to help with frizz. So I'm going to take one section and put it in a high ponytail. And I'm using an elastic band. And then I'm gonna just put that back portion inside with the other ponytail. There you go. And so now I'm gonna use another hair tie because my hair is thick and I'm trying to make sure that when I put it in the drawstring ponytail that it stays in. So I'm trying to make it small, or the ponytail portion smaller. So there you go. And I will go ahead and do the other side. Just putting my hair in a high ponytail. Using the elastic band, and then pulling my hair halfway through, and taking another band and trying to make the ponytail just a little bit smaller so it'll fit in the drawstring ponytail. And I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to take the drawstring ponytail and brush it a little bit so it could be a little bigger. So I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to place it in the front portion of my hair, so this will make the ponytail wig stay in place. I'm trying to get all my hair in there, and then I'm going to take the drawstring and just pull it tight around my bun. I don't want this ponytail to fall off, and I'm just going to wrap the string around my hair, and then I'm going to tuck it inside my ponytail. So I'm going to fluff up a little. Then I'm going to take this bobby pin and I'm going to place it on the top and the bottom. And this is also to make sure that my ponytail is secure. It is nothing worse walking and your ponytail falls out. So I'm going to use this Afro pick and just pick out some of the curls because I love big hair. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to brush. There's the comb. I'm going to place that in the front of my hair to hold down this drawstring ponytail. Then I'm going to try to get it over my own ponytail and just pull the string and just wrap it around my hair. And to make sure that it's super secure, I'm adding 2 bobby pins to the top and to the bottom portion. So I'm going to pick some more. Isn't it cute? I love it. It looks so good. So I just fluff some more. So now I'm going to take some Eco Styling Gel. Just a little bit. And I'm just going to put it on my edges. This is to tame down my edges, and it also makes it easier if I want to put some baby hairs, which I always do. So I'm going to put a little more hair gel on both sides. Then I'm just brushing the gel on my hair. Then I'll put some in the back as well to make sure all my hairs are in place. Then I'll brush a little. So now I'm going to take my edge brush and try to do my baby hair. I am not the best, but I think it looks pretty okay. So get my little sideburns going into a little swirl. Isn't that cute? Let's do the other side. Getting a little Eco Gel and just working on my baby hairs. Now this is an optional step. You do not have to do this if you don't want to. What do you think? I think it looks so cute. I love it. I love it. Style 2. So let's try to do something different. I think this time I'm going to put my hair on the side. So we're going to have like a side ponytail, not as high as the first style. I'm going to use my elastic bands again. And then put my hair halfway through. And then I will use another band to get to make sure all my hair is secure. And then I will do the other side. I love the side ponytail. What do you think? I'm trying to do more protective styles, so that's why I put my hair in a 2-strand twist, and sometimes I just get tired of wearing the same hairstyle, so I like to change it up. So I think they look pretty good. Then we'll put the drawstring ponytail in, putting the comb in first, then putting my hair inside the drawstring ponytail, and just pulling the elastic string of the drawstring. Once it's secure, I'll just wrap it around my hair. And I'm using the bobby pins to make sure that this ponytail stays secure. I'll put one in the bottom and then one on the top. And it only took 2 bobby pins and it was really secure. So I will fluff a little. Now I'm doing the other side. Same process, put the comb in the front, then pulling this over my hair, and then tying it tight with the drawstring and just wrapping it around my hair and tucking it inside the ponytail. I think you get the gist. Using the bobby pin. This was a super easy style to create. It took less than, I'm gonna say 6 minutes to do. I think it's so super cute. I love it. So I will pick it out a little. Super cute. What do you think? Now you cannot tell me that this is not my hair. So cute. So there you go. I hope you liked my video. It was super fun to do. So thank you for watching my video and I will see you on the very next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you later. Bye.
MsSassyPat. Wow. You make your hair look good, get your makeup right, get you dressing nice, alright. She got hacks for life, cook tonight, she might save your life, alright.